Life Fest comes to you live from the Yantar shipyards in Kaliningrad in Russia, where, as you can see behind me, and we're going to get you up close with the two hulls of the Project 11356, the advanced Talwar class, of which India has ordered two, and the Goa shipyard will be building two of these as well. So over the next few years, 4 of these ships will add to the Talwar class, 6 of which are currently already in operation. Let's take you close now. I want to get you close up to the hulls here at the Yantar shipyard.
And hopefully join the Indian Navy in the next 3 to 4 years. Beyond these two ships, there are 2 more which are to be built at the Goa shipyard in India with the help of Russia on technology transfer basis. And these are going to be the latest, the most deadliest frigates that the Indian Navy will
These two frigates will put GSL into a different league, as this is the first time that frigates are being constructed at the yard. The contract for construction of two advanced missile frigates under the 11356 project for the Navy was signed between MOD and Goa Shipyard Limited in January 2019. And I must mention that GSL has been able to progress all the pre-production related activities, primarily related to design, at a very impressive pace. I am also informed that despite the constraints due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, GSL has been proactive in continuing with the design activities in coordination with the Russian side, and also organizing training of its personnel by the Russian experts through video conferencing, thus ensuring timely preparedness for the forthcoming construction activities. The two vessels that will be constructed at GSL are follow-on of the two ships already under construction at Russia. However, in line with the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives of the Government of India, a large percentage of the equipment fit, including weapons and sensors, of GSL make ships are of indigenous origin. Finalization of configuration, fit, and scope of developmental systems such as the Shakti EW system and CMS in a time-bound manner is truly noteworthy. I would like to assure that Goa Shipyard will receive all the requisite help and support from the Navy towards the successful execution of this prestigious project in a time-bound manner.
With initiation of the frigate project, Goa Shipyard joins a select league of yards in the country with the capability to construct advanced and complex warships, warship platforms. With this leap in
Thank you very much and all the best.
The nation's domestic warship construction capacity will be significantly strengthened with the addition of a new production line at GSL for the construction of weapon-intensive platforms. The two warships, once built, will be formidable and potent platform for the Indian Navy with a mission span covering the entire spectrum of naval warfare, air, surface, and subsurface domain. We are grateful to the Indian Navy and Ministry of Defense for the trust reposed in Goa Shipyard for the implementation of this project, which is being carried out with Russian technical and design assistance.
पार्टी आहे ना मी पण यांना पाय घेतो तर मी पार्टी दावा नाही पण यांना फुल घेतो फुल फोटो फुल